You have your knife. You have your
knife and the tool.
Okay. So
we're going to take
you're
that
going to
out.
hold that.
Get a good hold on it.
Okay.
There we go. Okay.
So I'm going to bring it up and pound it
Whack
down.
it and hold the.
And then hold this. And then I'll pull this off right quick.
And I'll pull up.
Are you ready?
Okay, 1.
Good
2.
hit, right?
Oh, good whack.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Pull it. Pull it.
No, we got this. This can's gonna seal this. I forgot about the can of syrup. So we'll do this over again. But yeah, we got to get this can of syrup out.
Okay.
And once you got,
Once it's out, we're gonna have.
once we get it started coming. Totally correct. Now here's this thing. This thing does a pretty good job of getting under there too. I can pull under one side.
You hold that.
Okay, now hang on a second. All right.
Are you gonna pull yours out, or do we need to whack it again?
I think we need to whack it again.
Okay. Yeah. Let's do it like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Go. Go.
Coming. All right. Okay. We're good. Okay.
Lots of time.
Now I just need to get the strap off. Straps off. That's out. There's the candy.
Okay.
So there's the cork that needs to come out.
Or do you want the razor blade?
Cork is out.
Okay.
And now then, we want it to go at a 45 facing up, like so. And see the queen in there? She's alive.
Okay.
And she has attendees.
Okay. What type of bee is that? See how black he is? We forgot to spray him with sugar water.
Yeah, did he come out of the thing?
Yeah.
That might be a drone. See if you can throw him in there. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna. I guess I should leave the queen facing that way.
Or we drop them in, or?
And then we'll put those other ones in so they can find it.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna do that same thing. We're gonna whack it, and I'm gonna turn it over and shake like heck. And then what we're gonna need to do then is the queen excluder will set here, and it needs to all
Is that what
corners.
this is?
That's that thing.
Okay.
So you might want to get it ready.
Okay.
It will set on top. And that thing will go on top of it, and then the lid will go on.
All right. So you're gonna help you whack it?
And then we're gonna whack it, and I'm gonna pick it up and shake like heck.
Okay, you ready?
All right, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Whack. Okay.
Tell me when you want the queen excluded. Okay, you're looking good. Looking good. I don't know how many dead ones you might be dumping in. But...
Okay, let's put that lid back on right quick.
This one?
Yeah, let's set it there.
Okay.
All right, let's get that stuff on there. And just kind of.
Do we need to push the...
we got to put those other frames in there.
Okay, they should be on your side.
Okay. We're trying not to kill any bees,
okay.
If possible. Kind of push them together a little bit. And that goes on. Got to slide the bees across. You can. Not kill any. Okay.
Oh, I got it. I already killed one.
That's fine.
One for him.
Now let's do the
two.
that thing.
You got a couple of bees on top.
fine. More bees can get in here.
Okay.
And then that thing should drop down on there solidly. Encompass everything.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay. Now take the lid off.
Well, I thought what we might do is do the other one now.
Okay.
And then we'll come back and take the lid off. Let's walk over here.